room for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by.
Би таны төлөө чадах бүхнийг хийн. Манай сонины хувьцааг худалдаж аваарай. Өнөөдөр таны сонин таны хөрөнгө болно.